Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. So this is another, it's not a new type of video. I've been doing these subscription videos. However, this is a new subscription. So I haven't yet subscribed. This is the subscription kit from Graceful Muse Paperie, and I saw it on Valentina. So Valentina Hudson, she's over on Instagram. She shared this kit in her stories and I fell in love, immediately went and bought it because even though I wasn't subscribed, she does put extras in her shop, which is amazing. So this may or may not, by the time you watch this, still be available, but it's incredible. And I am going to subscribe to this because it's too good not to. And I just think I need this in my life. I've been doing more journaling and I feel like this decorative kit is perfect for that. So I'm going to share this with you guys, and I think I will start doing separate videos for this as well. So at this point I will have the Sadies Stickers, Simple Paper Co, and then also Graceful Muse for subscription kits. I'm also going to be getting the Pretty Pink Co subscription. So my question for you guys, let me know in the comments, do you enjoy seeing these videos separately, or would you prefer me to just put these in regular haul videos? Is it like too much? I like them because they're usually short little videos, and so it's nice for people on my channel who want a shorter video, because typically I'm not very short-winded. So I feel like it's a nice little quick video for people. So let me know though your opinion. I am curious what you guys would like to see. Would you like to see mystery kits with regular hauls, or would you prefer to see them separately like I've been doing? So I'm going to keep this one separate and we'll kind of go from there. You guys let me know what your thoughts are. And I noticed some of the views are getting a little bit lower on the subscription videos. So I'm just curious what you guys prefer. So let me know. But this is the September monthly kit from Graceful Muse. And let me just put this in here. I actually, because I didn't get this on the subscription, was able to get Val's freebie, which is exciting. So Valentina, I think she's an aspiring writer too. She's really sweet. She is over on Instagram. I don't think she has a YouTube. Oh no, she does have a YouTube. I'm so sorry. I watch her YouTube videos. She does have a YouTube video or YouTube channel as well. So I'll tag her in the description so that you guys, if you want to see her stuff, she does a lot of journaling. Super, super sweet. And she has like such a fun accent. So I love listening to her talk. I love listening to people with accents talk anyway. She's really kind and just such a sweet follower of mine, and has always been so encouraging. And I'm really excited that I was able to like be influenced by her. This is my first ever order from Graceful Muse. So good job, Val. You definitely influenced me to go give the shop a try finally. So this is her freebie. If you're interested in picking this up, I don't think you can get PR freebies with the subscription, but I did pick this up after the subscription. Like, this wasn't part of that. It is the subscription, but I didn't pick it up as a subscription. Does that make sense? So I was able to get her freebie, but she does have a code if you're just picking anything else up in the shop. Val15, really cute little fall freebie she's got going here. Love that. And then this is the kit. So she does have different subscriptions. I did pick up the decorative bundle. So this bundle was $30 for everything that you're going to see in here, which I think is an incredible deal. So yeah, just really good. Okay, this is kind of like a postcard, like a giant like 5x7 type of postcard. It is her little like business card kind of thing as well. Like saying a tiger, and there's her website. But this is really pretty. Like this would be nice just like sitting in a frame. You could hole punch it, put it in your planner. Really nice, thick, like smooth quality. And then before I get into the kit part, I do want to share with you these two vellums because I think these are just gorgeous. This one has a lot of like newspaper writing behind it with the beautiful florals. I love these colors, like this purple with kind of like a periwinkle, and then like the deeper and lighter ivory colors. So pretty. And then this one, oh, stunning. It has like some scenes in it too. Like, how pretty are those scenes, right? I just think it's really well done. I really love these vellums. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm using them yet, but I think they're beautiful and I'm super excited to have them. Okay, this is the collection. So you get it in this adorable little bag, and the sticker on here matches the kit. And actually, let me show you. It did come in a giant envelope because I had vellums. Sorry, I just filmed a really large haul video, so I have a lot of things on my desk just falling everywhere. The sticker that she put on here, it says Happy Mail from Graceful, Muse, Paperie, also matches the kit. So I'm guessing she does that every month, which I think is really cool, that everything is very coordinated. I love good packaging, good marketing, all of that. So I appreciate that. So this is in a cute little like wax paper type of envelope. And then inside of here are all of our stickers. Oh, you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I opened this on stories today on Instagram, and I just got it in today. So I ordered this last Sunday. Today is Saturday. I ordered this on August 11th, and I got it on August 17th, which is crazy fast shipping. Really thankful for how fast she got this to me, because I can't wait to use it. It's so gorgeous. And can it just be fall already, you guys? Can it just be fall now? Because I need to use this in my planner. Like, I want to go ahead and set up weeks that haven't happened yet. This is the freebie that came with a mystery. So I'm guessing maybe you get a freebie every month, because it says September mystery kit freebie, which is really cool. I love this like fall with the vintage paper behind it and the florals. It's really pretty. This like stamp kind of hiding behind the florals, and then this really cute little scene. And this is on washi paper, so I chose to get this on washi paper. I will put it on the screen, but I believe she has premium matte and transparent matte as well. I could be wrong. Still learning all the things of the shop. But as you can see with this like clear glossy back, this is a washi paper. And then this is the kit. So we have this adorable September calendar with the florals. Love that. And then this is the mini deco sheet. So you've got a bunch of little floral deco. I always like having like the individual florals and leaves. You can kind of build them how you want. And then this is the layering shapes. So you've got some torn notebook paper. This is kind of like a torn box almost. Love this with all that like stamp goodness behind the florals. You have the tiniest little film strip, which is so cute, with the little like door scene. This is fun. It's kind of like a sideways torn paper. If you see like the side of it's right there, the florals behind it. And then she has filled in some of the spaces with like some more of the PC floral. Next up, we have the torn shapes. I am so excited that these are so small. I will typically use these like decorative kits in this week size planner. This is a cover from Dear Emie. Also, the mat behind here is Dear Emie. This is a week book planner from Twines and Paper. And let me see if I can pull up one of these so I can show you. This is like a weekly spread. This is my... What is this one? This is my health tracker. I was like, which planner is this? This is my health tracker. Clearly I'm behind because I haven't filled anything out in here. But I do like having some of these like smaller torn paper pieces. As you can see, let me get to a blank one. These would fit so well in here and not be like overly obnoxious. So these are really, really great if you like this smaller size, if you have a smaller size planner, whether it's, you know, this size or even a B6 size, it would be perfect for that with this size that she has her torn paper and like the deco that you're gonna see. So I'm super excited about this. I haven't seen other shops that have like such tiny torn papers like this, so this is really cool. All of these torn papers have like that kind of vintage text look behind the florals with like a light color wash. So pretty. And then you have all the days of the week here. And then this is so cool. This is the foiled months, so you have a full set of date dots. Love this script. And then Hello September chapter 9, which I think is such a fun way of like, hey, it's chapter 9. Like, isn't that just so cool? And then you have September. You have 6 of those, so you can use that however you want. Like I said, I love that script. Really pretty. And then you guys look at all the cute little deco. This is so good. So this is page A. It looks like JKA. And you've got some corner floral pieces here. This one's like kind of comes out a little bit more, which is really cool. This one's like a floral edge. You've got another one here. You've got some tiny little dots. And then you also have like PC florals, Tate pieces, larger bouquets, well, small, but larger than some of the other ones. Even some like flat bouquets, which is really cool. Like some of those are a little bit more flat, like this and this. And then look at these tiny little scenes. Aren't those adorable? They're so perfectly sized. And then the little girls too. Adorable. Like, look at her little hair buns. So cute. Just really good overall. I'm really, really impressed with this. Again, washi paper, so it's nice clear back. This is JKB. So this page, we've got another corner floral. And then some more of like the edges, another tiny little scene, some more tiny deco. This does have like little Polaroid frames. I don't think they're cut out in the middle. No, they're not. So they are like solid there, but you can easily layer over that. And then you've got one that has like lines on it if you want to write on it. You've got more days of the week. I don't think I realized that before when I was doing this in stories, that there's 2 full days of the week. And then some to-dos. You've got this washi strip of floral here, which is like cut in half. Like there's, each strip is one. You could put it together or you could leave it separate. I will usually separate them because I love using those on the edges of my journal. And then like a bigger swatch here. And then this is like more of the washi kind of strips and like floral trims. It is really cool that the trims are different kinds of bouquets. It's not like the same one repetitively. Like I think this is the same but inverted. But like most of these are kind of different. Maybe this is the same but inverted. But I feel like a lot of them are kind of different. Maybe these are the same. I don't know, but there's a good variety, even if some of them are the same. This Obsessed torn paper, like, oh, I just love this. This is so gorgeous. I'm probably gonna like pair something foiled behind it because I think like a foil, little pop of foil behind this strip would be absolutely stunning. You also have a little scallop washi, sorry, words were hard. And then you've got more of these gorgeous floral washi strips here. Oh, you guys, this is the part that I was like, oh, 100% sold. I didn't even look too much further into it because I think once the kit's released, you can see all of it. I didn't even look at all of it, you guys. I just was like buying it. I have seen lots of shops foil their washi pages more with like this kind of just like a sprinkle of foil. But what she did here, you guys, this girl with like the fuzzy foil, it's just genius. Like I have no words for this. I saw this in Val's stories and I was like, oh my gosh. I messaged her and was like, I need this in my life. Did I completely miss out on this kit? And she was like, no, you can still buy it. And it was like day made, bought it immediately. This one has like kind of like that floral outline, fuzzy foil kind of look. This has some words over the girl. It's just, look at the leaves, like the leaves falling. This is stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I really want more of these 2 pages. I need to go see if you can buy the pages separately. This one has a quote. Ooh, it just hit my thing. All getting excited here. This one has a quote. You guys, if you've been around at all on my channel, you know I love a good quote. And this beautiful box, not only does it have foil, it has foil as a quote in a torn paper. Okay, let's just have a moment. It says, in the embrace of a cozy blanket, time stands still as you wander through the pages of a story. Ugh, so good for fall. This up here, really beautiful. The girl and then like the foiled word. This one, you gotta like the stamp look. This has more of those blowing leaves. And then this girl with the vertical words, like shut up, how cute is she? With her little like Oxford shoes. Those Oxford shoes, saddle shoes, I don't know. And then this little stack of sweaters, a little bit of that like sprinkle foil. Looks like ink splotches, kind of so stinking good. Okay, we're already at the last page, you guys. This is last page. You've got more of these corner florals, more edges, just a bunch of different really good florals. Let me turn it this way. You can see it a little bit better. Like kind of like swag type of florals. These ones you can even cut in half to make more of them. Just a ton of different floral options on here. So how many? Let's see. You have 1, 2, come on, 3, 4. How many sheets do we have here? 5, 6. So you've got 6 of these larger sheets that are absolutely incredible. I know Valentino went and bought a second one of these. I'm tempted to do the same. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smaller sheets. And then you get this gorgeous, I always call them postcards. I know it's not a postcard. Whatever it is. This is gorgeous. And then also the 2 vellums. So this, again, is the decorative kit. I got to look and see what the monthly subscription is. I bought this for $30 after the subscription, so I think it's somewhere around there, which is an incredible deal. She also has an Advent out that, like, after seeing this, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go buy her Advent, so stay tuned. You may see that on my channel in a few months once that happens. But yeah, this is Graceful Muse Paperie. And I am just so thankful that Val shared this so that I could pick up this goodness. And I cannot wait to use this in my planner, which is why I'm literally hauling this the day that I got it. I have no shame that I'm hauling this the day I got it so I can hurry up and use this kit because it's so stunning. And I cannot wait to set this up for September. This is Vale's freebie if you are interested in saving 15% off your order. It's not a bad idea. Like, this is what I did because I didn't even really realize. I think I saw that she had a subscription, but I never really looked harder into it because y'all know I'm spending all this money anyway. So it's like, don't look and you won't be tempted. But I looked and I was tempted. But I picked up one outside of the subscription first so I could get a feel for it. And then that way I'll know, you know, if I wanted to buy the subscription. Kind of did the same thing with Simple Paper Co. So if you're not sure, it might be good to like buy one and try it out, and then you'll know if you want to subscribe. That's a really great way of getting an idea of if you like it. So really, really good. You guys, look at this. It's just so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I just need to show you these one more time. Like, look at this girl. Look at her. Look at that. Okay. All right, that's enough of my gushing. This is gorgeous. I cannot wait to see what the next one is. I need to go hurry up and subscribe. I don't know the dates or any of that of when you have to subscribe by. I will try to look that up and put it on the screen for you. And yeah, hopefully you guys love this as much as I do. And maybe this is also, it's not that the shop is new. I just had never purchased from her shop, but maybe this is a new to you shop, and you should definitely go check her out. She has weekly kits and things like that as well. I just have been leaning hard into the journaling world right now with my functional social media planner and my health tracker. So these kind of stickers are right up my alley at the moment, and that's why I chose this bundle, but you can choose other bundles as well. So that's going to be everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a like if you did, like a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and drop me a comment. Let me know, do you like to see these videos separately, or would you prefer me to lump this in with my super long haul videos? Let me know. All right, guys, thank you again for joining me. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.